In my journey of learning English, I have never memorized new words to improve my vocabulary. Hi everyone. When people contact me for my English classes, I often ask them, what problems do you face when you try to speak in English? 7 out of 10 says, I get stuck, I lose my thoughts, I don't find words when I try to speak in English. So in today's video, I'm going to share why does it happen and how can you overcome this problem. I will also share how words automatically come to my mouth when I speak in English. So stick around till the end. My name is Trilekha. I make videos on English lessons, parenting, online income ideas, personality development and lot more. And you're watching my channel Lot to Learn. So before I begin, do subscribe to my channel if you are new here and press the bell icon properly, otherwise you will not get the notification for my new videos. First of all, you need to understand that you are not the only one who gets stuck while speaking in English. There are many. In fact, I used to face the same problem years ago when I was in college. I will share later in this video how I have overcome this problem, how I have improved myself. But yes, memorizing new words has never worked for me. So now I'm going to share various reasons. Why does it happen? You analyze it, where does your situation fit in, and accordingly you should take steps to overcome this. The first and very common reason is nervousness. Many people get nervous when they try to speak in English and then they forget what they want to say. Another reason can be you are trying to translate from Hindi to English in your mind and then you speak. So in this process, it takes little longer time to find appropriate word. One more reason can be lack of adequate words. So if you are a beginner, if you do not have enough of vocabulary, you may find it difficult to speak and you get stuck again and again. Alright, now let me tell you how can you overcome all these things. It is very natural to forget words when you are nervous. You need to understand what is the reason for your nervousness. Do you get nervous because you feel you will make mistakes? Or do you get nervous because you feel that others will judge you? Sometimes when we know the other person is better than us, we tend to get nervous. It is very common. Now, if you know that you make so many mistakes, then you should focus on your grammar part. If you make little bit of mistakes, then you can note it down somewhere and try not to repeat it next time when you speak. When I tell my students that this is the mistake you are making, out of 5, only 1 keeps in mind and next time try not to repeat that mistake. Others keep on repeating the same mistake and that is the reason they don't improve. People have habit of judging you in everything. If you learn something, when you start learning something, you can't be perfect in the beginning. And if you keep on thinking that others will judge you and this is the reason for your nervousness, that means you'll never be able to improve. When I started, I wasn't on the same level. It took me some time to reach here. So had I been concerned of being judged, I would have never improved. To avoid nervousness, the best thing to do is be well prepared in advance before you speak and stop comparing yourself with others. If you have habit of translating from Hindi to English, that means you should join some class because you need on-the-spot speaking practice. In the class, they will give you some topic to speak and on the spot topic, and that is how you can overcome this problem. If you want to join my class and if you want to learn English with me, my WhatsApp number is given in the description. You can't be good at any language without practicing it. Have you noticed one thing in this video? Have I used any advanced or difficult words? I have used very simple vocabulary here, which is very easy to understand, right? So it's not about learning new vocabulary, memorizing new words. It's about speaking with confidence, which you gain over a particular period of time with practice. Okay, let me speak to my ladies subscribers for a moment. Ladies, if you watch me and if you like the lipsticks which I use, you can go down in the description and you can buy one for yourself from there. Let me share one exercise I often ask my students to do, and this really helps. if you're not able to join any class, you can do it on your own. Can you see this picture? So you have to find out some picture like this, okay, where there are many people, there are many things going on. So what you need to do is you have to stand in front of mirror and then start speaking, start describing this picture. If possible, record yourself. Recording yourself would definitely help you to know where you lack, where you get stuck when you speak. And next time you can keep in mind that this is the place where I get stuck, and you can work on it. So start doing it right away. This is very wonderful exercise and I'm telling you it helps. After passing 12th, I joined one English class for English speaking practice. After then, I never joined any classes. But I kept on challenging myself to speak in English. Around 15 years ago, when I was new and when I was looking for a job, I applied to Infosys BPO. I wasn't very fluent at that time, but I applied and I wasn't that poor too, so I cleared the interview, and it took me some time and I started getting fluent. So try giving such challenges to yourself. In my journey of learning English, I have never memorized new words to improve my vocabulary. I just read. I read books, I read newspaper, and whenever I come across any new word, I write it separately in a diary. Then I try to find out the meaning of that word, and I look for the various ways how that word can be used in a sentence. So that is how you can learn and you can remember new words. When I took break from my work, I realized that I started losing my English fluency. So if you're not speaking this language for a particular time, for a longer time, you may lose your fluency. So I have started practicing again, and then I again started gaining my fluency back. So that is how it is. It's a language. You have to create an atmosphere around you to learn it. Keep practicing, keep reading, and that is how words automatically come to your mouth when you speak. When we read, words get fed into our memory, and when we speak, it comes out of our mouth. So that's it for today. If you like my video, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching me.